Okay, so this is my garage. So it's called, let's see what the opener looks like. It's called Chamberlain Powered My Cute Garage Door Opener Wi-Fi. So this is my new torsion spring on top. My old one just broke last year, like 2 years ago. So this door is old. So I'll show you the wall button. Here's the small wall button right there. So I just only have the remote. This is Chamberlain 950 EV. So let's open this up. I can tell I have this opener like 2 years ago. Alright, let's go outside. Alright, 1, 2, 3. There's a cool, but there's a keypad right there. It's Chamberlain keypad 950 EV, 940 EV keypad. Let me put on my code. So let's go back inside. So let's use it with the remote. So that was it for the video. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Oh wait, sorry guys. So I'll show you about these safety sensors. There's one glowing yellow, another one it's glowing green, but there's some safety sensors are steady. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.